I can't believe Dark Vortex was taken was sucked into the vacuum cleaner. What am I gonna do? I know I'm gonna do. I got a free Vortex. Dark Vortex was taken out of the vacuum cleaner. Ha 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 ha. There's the vacuum cleaner. Now time to free my best friend. Dark Vortex was taken out of the vacuum cleaner. Yay! I would have fucking clear. Thank you so much, Dark Computer Monster Tiger. You look at Top Vortex Monster Tiger. You just free Dark Vortex Monster Tiger out of fucking clear. Oh. How dare you? That's it. I'm calling your parents about this. Go home right now. Hello? It is Dark Computer Monster Tiger's parents speaking. Guess what your son did? Your son, free Dark Vortex Monster Tiger out of the fucking clear. Can you please grab him? Thanks, bye. And as for you, Dark Vortex Monster Tiger, you are grounded for 492 years. Go upstairs you right now, or else I will set it easy, and I will tell your father about this. Oh my gosh, Dark Computer Monster Tiger, we can't believe you free Dark Vortex Monster Tiger out of fucking clear. You know he decided to be stuck in the fucking clear for sucking people to the fucking cleaner. That's it. You are grounded for 992 years. Go upstairs you right now, and we be sharing yourself. And stop crying like a baby.